Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. To lead, you have to do everything well. Welcome to the front of the pack. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth streaming audio, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com adds, the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.